everyone. Welcome back to Law Call. We do have our second call of this evening, and I think it's a concerned family member has a question.
Yes. My question is, how often can a person be Baker acted, and who determines how often they can be visited by family members, or how is it determined how long the visits may be?
I will tell you, I'm just vaguely familiar with Baker acting, and I'm not sure if there's a limit where someone can be sent over and over. And again, I don't know who actually sets the visitation rights for the family members, but I'll give to Erin in case you have a little bit of experience with this.
I have a little bit. I agree. I don't think there's a set time or a set amount that you can, but know that this is definitely outside Brian and I's wheelhouse in the sense of we remember vaguely from our law school days. But yes, I don't think there's a set amount of times. It seems like there's that, I think everybody's pretty familiar with that 72-hour threshold where you have to be kept and make sure that you're not a danger to yourself or others. And then depending on which hospital or which facility your family member ends up at, there may be certain protocols through that facility directly. So their visiting hours, the amount of times that you can visit. I know that a lot of the local healthcare facilities are still somewhat following COVID guidelines to make sure that we're keeping our numbers down and that everybody is safe. So that could be some of the reasons why you're not potentially being able to visit as much as you want. But you know, that is something that you definitely want to consult with an attorney about, maybe an estate planning or attorney or somebody who deals with you know, other rights along those lines, to make sure that your family member is also getting the help that they need, and potentially it might turn into some long-term care. If this is a recurring issue, potentially it's something that the family might want to look at in the long term of how this is going to be handled.
And yeah, and again, I'm not sure if there was anything improper going on, but it sounds like you're a concerned family member who wants to make sure the person is able to still see their family while they are in the hospital being treated, to make sure they're, as Erin said, not a danger to themselves or others.